chaos in the ruling party ZANU-PF after ZANU-PF yachizonyatsa kuona kuti zvinotaurwa nema-activist vanhu vachiti KEF3 is illegal. It is true, and they cannot go anyway without deflecting to the referendum. Izari pena mashoko anobuda panguva ino uchinokwa kuti vakomana vana CHAMISA, they've come in public vakataura kuti 2 separate referendums are needed for us to proceed with constitutional amendments. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Team na BBC Zimbabwe vanobuda nyora chiti. Checkpoint. Former Minister of Finance and ZANU-PF member of Politburo, Patrick Namasa, told ZANU-PF at their national conference that for ED to go beyond 2028, 2 separate referendums are needed because those who want to amend our constitution illegally don't want to hear that. Namasa was bribed in order to keep quiet because he was alleging Zimbabweans who seem not to understand their constitution. Because of the time left for Zimbabwe to go to the next election, it is impossible to constitutionally amend the constitution to extend the term of president, parliament, local government, and have those who have occupied those public offices benefit. It is possible. That is why they want to kill 6 birds with 1 stone. But the Constitution of Zimbabwe does not allow you to kill more than 1 bird using 1 stone. ZANU-PF knows that KEF3 is illegal. Anyone who is telling the truth about KEF3 is being silenced using money and cars. Referendum is another case in point. Tomba developments are good pangwa inoi. Bila comment section yetu zofura anyone who gives these developments. Angwa no chino kwa konse referendum pangwa inoi. It is necessary and irikuto dikamwa no two ways about it. But subscribe or like out on the bell icon.